Okay? Don't try to slam him or anything. All you want to do is maintain control over him. Just go down. Hammer. Back. Okay? You're going 1, 2, 3. Right? Go down. Hammer. And back. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay? Go down. Hammer. Back. Okay? Back. Up into that general area. Okay? Grab to the throat. Knee to the bladder. Okay? Step behind his left foot. Okay? Now I don't want you to throw him around, swing him around, drag him around. I just want you to hold with this and hold with this. Okay? And turn to the right. Okay? Yeah.
Wish.
Here. Okay? I don't want you to swing him around, because if you start swinging him around or throwing him around, you'll swing yourself off balance or throw yourself off balance. Okay? So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay?
What do you want to see?
Okay, other side. Okay? Hammer to the chest. Right? Kick to the groin. Step down, and then with the left foot, I don't want you to sweep his leg out. Okay? I just want you to step to the inside. Step down. Okay? Back elbow. Okay? Right? I don't want you to sweep his leg out, right? I don't want from here, I don't want you to sweep his leg out. That's what he does. He'll fall towards you, right? Right? This is his foundation, and you knock this out, which way does he fall? He goes towards the way that's supporting it, right? So that's why I don't want you to take the leg out like that, okay? Now, if it's a skinny guy like Nick, you probably don't make any difference. But if it's a big guy like Barry, and you do that and he falls against you, you probably break your leg.
I'm on a diet. Diet.
1, 2, 3. I'm only kidding.
Oh, yeah, sure. You don't have to give me that reference.
Here, right? Here. Okay? Okay?
So you hold him up for that elbow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay?
Good.
Other side.
Pretty good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? He almost pushed his face into my elbow. Right? When I took his leg out, he went down, and I had to stop. Okay? I had to stop from elbowing his face.
What do you mean by chest? Now you're going to hit me, but what do you mean by chest?
Okay, Barry. Now you're gonna get it, Barry.
Okay?
I'm collarbone.
Finish him up, Jack.
Okay, you don't think about hitting somebody in the chest to hurt them.
Yeah. That
It hurts.
Yeah, it does.
I'm just hitting you. I'm not following through.
Yeah.
If I follow through, you go.
It's high enough too where he doesn't buckle.
You won't. Yeah, it's above here, right?
Above the center line.
Okay, upwind the hammer. Okay, use that little knuckle, right? So you turn that hand, that fist down, right? You turn the fist down so that you can use that little knuckle. Kick to the groin. Step down. Okay. Leverage to the inside of the upper leg. Back elbow. Okay? He should go down. If he doesn't, you can knee.